JMeter saves all responses in JMeter. Now we are focusing on JMeter saves all responses. JMeter saves all responses. As an example, we can consider this. These properties in here in JMeter.properties file. This one indicates how to set properties to get vertical bar delimited format that will output results like this. This is the result, and the corresponding JMeter.properties that need to be set are shown here. The one oddity in this example is that output underscore format is set to CSV, which typically indicates a comma separated values. However, the default delimiter was set to be a vertical bar instead of comma, so the CSV tag is misnomer in this case. Think of CSV as meaning character separated values. Here JMeter.save service.output underscore format. This section helps to determine how result will be saved. The commented out values are the defaults. Legitimate values XML, CSV, DB. The only XML and CSV are currently supported, default to CSV. Here JMeter.save service.assertion underscore result underscore failure underscore message. True when field should be saved, false otherwise. Assertion underscore result underscore failure underscore message only affect CSV output, default to true. Here JMeter JMeter.save service default underscore delimiter for use with comma separated value CSV files or other formats where the fields values are separated by specified delimiters, default to comma. For tab one can use /T. As an example, here you can see a screenshot of control panel of sample result save configuration. Listeners can be configured to save different items to the result log files JTL by using config popup as shown here. Items with CSV after the name only apply to the CSV format. Items with XML after only apply to the XML format. CSV format cannot currently be used to save any items that include line breaks. Here you can see the configure button. Here you can see this figure shows an example of result file configuration panel. Here the file name, the name of the file containing sample results, the file name can be specified using either a relative or an absolute path name. Relative paths are solved relative to the current working directory, which defaults to the bin directory. JMeter also supports path relative to the directory containing the current test plan JMX file if the path name begins with title / or whenever or whatever is in the jmeter.save.saveservice.base_prefix JMeter property, then the path is assumed to be relative to the JMX file location. Browse the file browse button. Errors file browse select this to write read only result with errors, this attribute, and success attribute, select this to write read only result with errors. If neither errors nor success is selected, then all results are processed. You can see the configure button here. Here you can see the classes in the package org.apache.jmeter.save, and we can consider package org.apache.jmeter.save as an example also. Here the CSV save service. This class provides the means for saving or reading test result as CSV files. Listener result wrapper. The listener result wrapper is for calculated results generated by listeners like aggregate listener and monitor listener. Save graphics service. This class responsible for taking the component and saving it as a JPEG, PNG or TIFF. Save service handles settings up extreme serialization. Script wrapper converter handles extreme conversion of text scripts. Test result wrapper. As an example, we can consider this one, save responses to a file for error logging. Here this file is saved as myservices_1832_myprofile26.unknown.